Good morning, students. Now we start with the theorem 4. If G is a group with respect to binary operation dot, then for all AB belongs to G, the equation A dot X is equal to B and Y dot A is equal to B have unique solution for X and Y in G. For A belongs to G, there exists A inverse belongs to G because G is a group such that A inverse is equal to A inverse A is equal to identity. Here A into X is equal to B. This is the given condition. So applying A inverse means pre-multiplying both sides by A inverse and then using associativity we get E into X is equal to A inverse B means X is equal to A inverse B, and this is the solution of AX is equal to B. And now we have to prove both equations A dot x equal to B and Y dot A equal to B have the unique solutions of 4x and y in G. Solution तो हमें मिल चुका है. अब हमें second equation का solution निकाल रहे हैं. Second equation है आपके पास y dot A is equal to B. Now here because A is written on right hand side, so post multiplying by A inverse on both sides and using the associativity property, we get y is equal to B A inverse. So y is equal to B A inverse is the solution of the equation y into A is equal to B. Now we have to prove the uniqueness. So let us prove the result by contradiction. Let x1 and x2 be two solutions of the equation A dot x equal to B. If x1 is the solution of this equation, then x1 satisfies this equation. So we can write A into x1 is equal to B. And since x2 is also a solution of this equation, so A into x2 is equal to B. Since both right hand side are equal, so left hand side are also equal. A dot x1 is equal to A dot x2. Now pre-multiplying both sides by A inverse and using the associativity, and since A inverse into A is equal to identity, we get x1 is equal to x2. So we can say the solution is unique. Example है, if every element of a group is its own inverse, then show that group is abelian. क्या कह रहे हैं वो कि अगर G कोई ग्रुप है और उसके हर एलिमेंट का इनवर्स वो खुद ही एलिमेंट है. इफ एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ अ ग्रुप इज इट्स ओन इनवर्स, if we consider X is an element of a group G, then X is equal to X inverse, then we have to prove group is abelian. This is the important result. You have to learn this result also. Let G be a group with respect to multiplication operation such that X is equal to X inverse and Y is equal to Y inverse, because this is given every element of a group has its own inverse, and this result holds for all x y belongs to G. As x into y belongs to G, therefore x into y inverse. If x and y belongs to G, then x into y also belongs to G because G is a group with respect to operation dot. So xy inverse is equal to, we already discussed, product of two elements inverse is equal to y inverse x inverse, है ना. वो प्रॉपर्टी हम बाद में यूज करेंगे. देयरफॉर एक्स वाई इनवर्स हम क्या कहते हैं, हर एलिमेंट का इनवर्स वही होगा जो वो खुद एलिमेंट है. सो एक्स वाई इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स वाई. Now this implies, now using that property which we have proved already, x dot y whole inverse is equal to y inverse x inverse is equal to x dot y. This implies since y inverse is equal to y and x inverse is equal to x according to given condition is equal to x dot y. Yx is equal to xy. This is the commutative property, and this result holds for all elements of G. So G is an abelian group. Second example, if A square is equal to E for all A belongs to G where G is a group, then prove that G is abelian. If A square is equal to E for all A belongs to G, if a square of every element of G is identity element, then we have to prove again G is abelian. स्टूडेंट्स जो भी हम ये एग्जांपल कर रहे हैं, अब जो ये एग्जांपल हम कर रहे हैं ये एज अ रिजल्ट आपको याद भी रखनी है. ये रिजल्ट है क्योंकि आगे थ्योरम्स में यूज भी होंगे. Now we have A square is equal to E for all A belongs to G, so we can write it here A dot A is equal to E. Now pre-multiplying by A inverse both side and using the associativity property, we get E into A is equal to A inverse E means A is equal to A inverse. Means if A square is equal to E for all A belongs to G, means every element of G has its own inverse. We get here A is equal to A inverse. Similarly, if B is an element of G, then B is equal to B inverse. And using the above result, in the above result we proved, you can see here above result में हमने यही प्रूव किया है. If every element of a group is its own inverse, then group G is abelian. Then using the above result we can say G is abelian. यहाँ इसने फिर प्रूव करके भी दिखा दिया. As A into B belongs to G, therefore AB has its own inverse, so AB inverse is equal to AB. By using the above property AB inverse is equal to B inverse, A inverse is equal to AB. So B into A is equal to AB for all AB belongs to G. This proves the commutative law. So G is a abelian group. आप यहाँ देख रहे हो कि एक रिजल्ट दूसरे में यूज हो रहा है, तो जितनी भी आप प्रॉपर्टी प्रूव कर रहे हो, जितने भी एग्जांपल्स आप प्रूव कर रहे हो, एक्चुअल में ये एग्जांपल्स भी आपके जस्ट लाइक प्रॉपर्टीज ही हैं. तो ये प्रॉपर्टीज आपको लर्न भी करनी है, जस्ट एग्जांपल्स करने ही नहीं है, इनके प्रूफ ही नहीं करने हैं आपने, ये एज अ रिजल्ट भी आपको लर्न करने हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बाकी हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे.